guys, welcome to the channel. All right, so in this tutorial we will be making Amapiano type beat. The KABZA, the small Amaphorisa or MAPHORISA DG type beat. So I'll give you a technique that I always use when making this type of vibes, when making Afro beats or Afro vibes. I'm talking about kizomba, marabenta, Amapiano, kwaito. I have a technique that I use that always works. So I'm gonna share with you in this tutorial while making Amapiano type beats. So let's start the tutorial. So the first thing you need is to set the BPM. Of course, I've set to 112. The BPM is 112. And the first thing you need is to set the rhythm of the beat. I'm not talking about the style. The style is Amapiano. I'm talking about the rhythm of the beat. So I will explain you using the hi-hat. So let's listen to this hi-hat, how it sounds. Okay. After choosing the rhythm of the beat, so we know that our instruments or our rhythm is this one. So all the instruments must play between this rhythm or in following this rhythm. So now I'm gonna play the snare following this rhythm. I will use two different snare. One is a snare, another one is a rim shot. So to make that little bounce. So let's see how the snare sounds following the same rhythm. Okay, let's go for the first one. Let me loop here. So let's listen to the rhythm again, once again. So the snares must follow the same rhythm. Okay, let's see how they sound. It's the same rhythm, but I didn't put the first one and the first of each bar. The first step or note on each bar, I didn't put this. I'll leave this for the kick. Okay, so let's see how all the snare sounds with this hi-hat. After I will just delete this hi-hat because I don't need it. I just use it for show you how I do. So just to follow the rhythm. Okay. As you can hear, the snares are playing the same rhythm with the hi-hat. Okay, once we've that, I think we can delete this one. I don't want to use it. I don't need it. Okay, then the next one is the kick. The kick you can maybe put fill each 4 step or fill each 8 step. It's up to you. Okay, let's see with the kick. Okay, that's the kick. Okay, then I add this shaker's loop. So let's see how it sounds with this shaker. Easy, it's very easy. Okay, then I add the synth bass. Let me solve the synth bass. This one. Okay, let's see how it sounds with the synth bass. Very easy. Okay, the next one is I use this. Oh, let me see. Truth. I don't know what is it. So let me. Okay. I don't know which sound is it, but you can hear. Is that sound you are hearing? So I've played these little notes here. It does add a lot to the beat. It makes a big difference. So let's go to the next one. The preset here is throat. Let me see which. Okay, it's soft lead. Soft lead. You go to soft leads and then you go to throat. I don't know how to pronounce it. Just read. Okay. The next one. Fat melody is the preset from hard leads. Okay. Let me hear how it sound. This is also following the same rhythm with the snare. I just delete some notes, but it's the same rhythm. For example, the snares are playing like so I can use, maybe put the note here. I just want to show you that it's the same rhythm. Okay, it's the same rhythm. I just delete some notes. Okay, it's very easy, very simple. Okay, let's see how it sounds. All the instruments together, not all. Some instruments all together. Okay, let's go to the next one. It's the same rhythm. I just changed the instrument. Okay, let's go to the next one. The log drum. I'm using 7th preset. I've downloaded for this is a YouTuber, also a producer. I've downloaded this preset, not mine, but I'm using because it was free. I purchased it for free. So let's see how the log drum sound. Same rhythm. It's the same rhythm. Can you hear it? Sometimes I double the notes, but it's the same rhythm. Okay, let's see how it sounds with the log drum. Okay, yeah, I think it's all for the beat. From here, you can add whatever instrument you like, just to add some little flavor. But I think the basic or the foundation of the beat is already done. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. See you next time on my next video. Peace.